Hi guys, welcome back to our channel LifeCaptured, and today we are back with a tech video where we'll be showing you the unboxing and the reviews of the new OnePlus Nord. So let's get into it. So this is the new OnePlus Nord, and as you can see, this mobile looks really different from the other OnePlus mobiles because this has a vertical design unlike the other mobiles which have an horizontal design. So let's go ahead and look at some quick specifications of this mobile. This is the new OnePlus Nord which costed us 28,000 rupees. It is grey onyx color, 128GB storage and 8GB RAM. So now let's go ahead and open up this baby. So as soon as you open the box, you find this beautifully colored welcome letter which has all the details about the OnePlus Nord's team. And then the mobile is placed in this transparent cover which looks a little tough and it is protective. And just look at the mobile. It looks so beautiful, the color, the glass finish and everything. But for now, let's put the mobile aside and look at the contents of the box. So the first thing that we find is this beautiful transparent case. The difference between the old OnePlus cases and this one is the new design on it. And it looks pretty strong and it's really flexible because it's made of the material silicone. And then we have this small black package. So now let's open it and look at the contents of it. So first it has this small SIM card eject pin and some OnePlus Nord stickers. So this time it comes with the OnePlus and the Nord symbol as stickers. All the OnePlus users are benefited with this Red Cable Club card. So this card provides the users with unlimited benefits like jackpots and special offers and etc. And then you have some quick tour guide and all the things you'll be needing to know more about this mobile. So now let's go ahead and clear out this messy section. OnePlus Nord comes with a fast charger which is a 30T watt charger, and it has this USB slot in it, and it comes with this protective cover around the charger. This charger can charge the mobile all the way from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes, which is fast. It comes with a 1 meter long red cable which has USB type on one side and the C type on the other side, which facilitates fast charging. So now let's have a quick look at the mobile. So the back of the mobile is really beautiful, the beautiful grey color, and the front, the screen looks amazing and it's really lightweight and easy to handle. So it's so slim and nice, and it has these all beautiful notches on the side, and it has the OnePlus logo. And this mobile has quad camera. It has 4 cameras and it has both wide lens and normal lens, and it looks totally beautiful overall. Let's get into the specifications later. And in the front you have 2 cameras, one is a wide lens and the other is a normal lens. So on the side you have the silent, vibrate and the ringer but modes, and you can just slide it up and down and it changes. And you have the volume up and down buttons. And at the bottom you have the C-type charging slot and the SIM slot and the speakers, which look a little different from the original model. Now let's go ahead and see if this mobile has reached up to our expectations. So now let's go ahead and look at some quick specifications of the mobile. So first let's have a look at the display. It has 6.4-inch screen and 90Hz display, and it is really good for gaming because it has HDR screen and the chip supports the HDR gaming. It has the Oxygen OS compatibility, which makes it really smooth to use. The next up is the camera quality. This is what everyone looks for in a mobile that they are going to buy. So coming to this one, it has 4 cameras, 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and it has this super zoom option, and as you can see, it's not very impressive, but the camera quality is really good. It has both wide lens and the normal lens, which is an added feature, and it is pretty impressive. And the front cam comes with two cameras, one with 32 megapixel and the other one with 8 megapixel. One is a wide lens, the other one is a normal lens, and they both are pretty impressive. The face unlock of this mobile is really impressive, and it's fast, and the wallpaper just makes it look so good. Even the fingerprint sensor is so smooth, you won't even know when your mobile opens. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give you some real cool things you can do with this mobile. So first, go to settings, scroll down and find the utilities menu, and click on the quick launch and turn on quick launch. So using this option, when you unlock your phone using the fingerprint sensor, you can slide through the shortcuts that you will be adding for your favorite apps, and you can easily access your favorite apps instead of going to the app menu and searching for the app. So for this one, go to settings and find the security and lock screen, and then go to emergency rescue and disable the power button for quick SOS. So this will automatically turn on the double pressing of the lock button to enable camera. So whenever you want to use the camera, you can just double press your lock button and it will open the camera. And we hope you liked our video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.